Hey there coders, welcome back to another exciting JavaScript lesson. Today we are going to learn how to check if two given integers have opposite signs. Specifically, we'll check if one is positive and the other is negative. Let's jump right in. Imagine you have two numbers. Our goal is to write a function that checks whether one is positive and the other is negative. This is a common check in many programming tasks. First, we will define a function named positive, negative that takes two parameters, x and y. This function will check the signs of the two numbers. Inside the function, we'll use an if statement to check whether x is negative and y is positive, or vice versa. If either condition is true, we'll return true. If the condition is met, we'll return true, indicating that one number is positive and the other is negative. Otherwise, we'll return false. Let's test our function with a few examples. As you can see, when both numbers have the same sign, the function returns false. But when one is positive and the other is negative, it returns true. For those of you familiar with ES6, here's the function written using arrow function syntax. It's more concise, but works exactly the same way. And that's a wrap. We've successfully created a function to check if two integers have opposite signs. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. See you next time.